This indicator completely removes the emotion from trading, and this is very important. Like, you can't be trading when you're emotional, and it's just like another tool that might help you to be a profitable trader. Hello guys, it's Crypto. In today's video I'm gonna show you the indicator that I've created for leverage traders. Especially, you can use that for the spot as well, but this indicator is gonna give you a buy and the sell signals. You can use it to long or short crypto or stocks. It works the best on crypto. It's for the in and out trades, high leverage, just multiply the money constantly in and out of the trades. If that's something that interests you, watch this video and you will find out how to get this indicator, exactly what it does, how to set it up, and much more. Right, so this indicator works on 30 minutes and on 1 hour. That's where it gives you the buy and the sell signals, okay? I'm gonna quickly remove that, and you have to go into the indicators. You have to click on it once you have the access, and what it does, it show you those beautiful sell and buy signals, okay? If you go to the settings right here, what you want to do is you want to make sure you have all those ticked on, okay? You can remove the bar color and input in the status line. Under the style, I don't like to use the bar color, so I like to have that one off, so just remove that one. Have the crypto fair value border on, ATR, trailing, stop loss, all the buy and sell signals, and you also have 4 moving averages. You have 20, 50, 200, and you have 9 EMA, okay? Once you have all that done, just click OK, and you're basically ready to go. What you're doing now is you have to make sure you do have the buy signal, like right here. Let me just remove that for a second. If you have the buy signal, okay, I want you to use it with other indicators. So I have 2 favorite indicators that I like to use with it. One is called MACD. It's completely free. You can just add it in the indicators, MACD, and RSI, okay? You can add the stochastic RSI as well. And what it's gonna do, if you will see a buy signal, stochastic RSI is crossing to the upside. MACD, you can see it's going slowly to the upside as well. And the RSI broke above, like right here. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4 points of confluence that this trade is about to go up, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is, if you have the buy signal only gonna appear after the candle close. So if it closes, what I have to do is I have to enter on the next candle. So I'm entering right here, okay? The stop loss, if you want to go high leverage, you have to make sure your stop loss is below the previous candle, the previous one before the buy one, okay? So the stop loss is below this candle. And what you want to do is you want to aim for at least 3 or 2.5 risk reward ratio. You can see as I'm moving this, the risk reward ratio is moving as well. So what it does, it calculates how much are you risking versus how much are you trying to gain. 3 to 1 is, yeah, let's call it 3, okay? 2.99. 3 to 1 means I'm happy to lose $100 if it goes south to gain 300, okay? So this is what I'm trying to do. If you want to play it less riskier, what you want to do is you want to aim for 2.5. That way you lose 100 to gain 250. The odds of playing out are higher, but if you reduce the profit level from 3 to 2.5, you need to win more trades to be profitable. If you aim for the 2.5, to go absolutely like to go break even on 10 trades, you have to win at least 3 trades out of 10. Then you are completely break even. Okay? If you win 4 out of 10, you in profit. If you win 5, obviously you're more in profit. The thing is, with this indicator, if you have all those lined up like MACD, stochastic RSI, and RSI plus buy signals, you have so much confluence that 9 out of 10 trades are about to be successful. So, if that's the case, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna up the leverage to make sure we get as much as possible. So if I'm aiming for the 1-to-3 reward ratio, 3, okay, what I want to do now is I want to calculate what's my stop loss. My stop loss is 0.85. So if you times it by, let's say, 50 leverage, you're gonna lose about, roughly speaking, 40% of the money. So if you put 100 into that trade, you might lose 40. But if it goes to the upside, 2.68% times 50x leverage, you're gonna make about 130%. So your 100 is gonna be 230. Okay, so that's the odds that we're playing. Obviously, what you can do is you can keep this one open for longer. The trick I like to do, like if I'm reaching my TP targets, okay, so I'm reaching my free risk reward ratio, like right here, this is where I've reached it. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna move my stop loss before entry, just before, okay, not high, just before the entry, and I'm gonna remove my initial out. So if I put $100 into this trade, now right here this trade is worth 200 and something. So I'm gonna remove that $100, okay, and I'm gonna move my stop loss to the entry. What's gonna happen very often, like this one missed just a tiny bit, okay, that would probably stop you. But what's gonna happen very, very, very often, that this trade is actually gonna play out higher. And I mean, look at this now, okay, this is the 9% move on 50x leverage. Just imagine how much money you could make if you go more than $100. But this is just one of the examples, okay? Like today on the Discord, I did call this trade for the Discord members. So as you can see, this is the buy signal. So this is where I've roughly entered right here. The stop loss just below the candle. 3-to-1 risk reward ratio played out beautifully. Okay, I don't want to be too greedy. Okay, I'm aiming for 3-to-1. The reason why is I'm trying to remove the emotion from the trading completely. Yes, it's very likely that this trade is gonna go higher, but I'm trying to remove the emotion from the trading, and I'm just sticking to my guns, and that's what I'm doing. As soon as I'm reaching the take profit level, okay, at 3-to-1 risk reward, this is where I'm removing my initial stop above the entry and just let it run. This is the free trade. I can't lose at this point, okay? I'm still gonna end up with profit. Who knows, this one might run higher. This is the second one I called today on the Discord, absolutely free. This one was for the free members. As you can see, the buy signal, we have a lovely cross to the upside on the stochastic RSI. On the MACD, as you can see like this was the bottom and it started coming up, so basically just another confluence. Also this one was just about to cross on the RSI, so that signal wasn't perfect, but I had like 1, 2, 3 signals to tell me to go into the trade versus 1 maybe. That's good enough. That's almost, let's call it 3.5 out of 4 confluences to, yes, this trade's gonna play out. So this is what I did. This one has been called, let me just show you so you don't think I took it out of my ass. Right here, Doge long 3250x, stop loss just 0.6%, so 40x would be ideal. Look where it is. This is the Doge. Some people did enter the trade and made free money. Okay, like this one hasn't exactly reached the take profit yet, but I'm gonna be patient with it. What I did is, because like if the trade plays out so nicely, I don't want to lose on this trade, I just move the entry before the stop loss. Okay, right, so this is how it works. Okay, this is the buy and sell signals, and same thing on 1 hour. It does exactly the same. It's just for the trades. Like if you want to nail the entry, 30 minutes is slightly better because you can enter the trade slightly earlier. Okay, 1 hour would be for maybe low leverage trades that you want to catch those bigger moves. Okay, so maybe that one would be for that. But yeah, basically this is it, guys. This is what the indicator does. Once more, if you would like to get it, Traders Hub group is the place to be. Link is in the video description. You can join absolutely free. You can try it for 14 days. You don't have to pay anything. If you want to purchase it, you have to be the VIP for at least 1 month. It costs, the cheapest VIP membership is $30 a month. You just pay once. You don't have to pay it second time. Indicator's gonna stay with you for free. Okay, guys, this is it. What we're trying to do, basically, we're trying to help other people. I'm not being greedy. Like I've put a lot of hours to create this indicator to make sure it works. There was so many backtesting, like figuring out how to utilize the best. It took me a lot of time. This indicator completely removes the emotion from trading, and this is very important. Like you can't be trading when you're emotional, and it's just like another tool that might help you to be a profitable trader. And this is the end goal, I think, for everyone. Everyone wants to make money in this space. And yeah, guys, if I helped you, if you want to try it, please leave a like, subscribe, join the Discord, and this is it.